Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I am going to show you what is inside a DVD drive. So this is a DVD drive that went bad in a family member's computer. I replaced it for them and I took the drive for the purpose of showing what is inside. So this is a DVD-ROM, and which ironically was out of another HP that they had. So, all right. So first of all, this right here, this is the emergency open, just in case it doesn't open. So what you gotta do first is do that, pull that out. Now you want to pull the sides off. Pop the side off. Now I want to pop this side off. So that is now off. And you can partly see inside there, but I'm going to take the bottom of the drive off. Now note, there are some drives that have a different face, and this as well. This happened a few years ago. I saw a DVD drive that had two faceplates. They had a black one and they had a white one. And depending on what your computer case was, if you wanted to match, if the case was black or the case was white, you could change the face to that. There we go. So here's how this works. You take this. This is an electronic screwdriver. All right, so I'm going to pop the faceplate off. That's what this is right here. And these are the electronics that are inside the drive. This is the DC motor that spins the disk. This is the chip itself. As you can see, where you put your SATA data and SATA power. If it was IDE, this board would be bigger because you have to put the cable in and that as well, the 40 pin and the 4-pin Molex for power. So if I take this drive, should come apart a little bit easier. So there we go. So the top cover is coming off and you can get a better view inside. That part holds the disc in place. This is a laser. This is what reads. Now, this is the motor right here. If you can see it, this is the motor that spins. So, in this laser, I know what used to happen is you would have literally two lasers. And what would happen is let's say it's facing this way, it would turn, if let's say it's a DVD, right? It reads a CD, the laser would turn and that would be the CD laser. So here's what you have. You have the laser, you have a ribbon cable that goes to this board right here, you have the eject button with a ribbon cable. This is a board. This is the board that contains the information LED and the eject button. And the eject button is a micro switch. Turn it on the back, right there. And so what would happen while the disc is spinning, this would move back and forth. There's a motor on here, right here, and what would happen is, there's another motor in here somewhere. Oh, it's right here. This is called a stepper motor. It's the same thing that's in your floppy drive when you hear it. It's a lot silent. And what would happen is this will spin, causing the laser to go back and forth. So when you hear the drive reading something, you're hearing this going back and forth. So that's what you're hearing. So this is the motor that spins. This is the chip itself for the drive. This is the eject button. And if you want to know more about it, on the top it gives you what you want to know. And this is the faceplate. Now, this laser is extremely dangerous. If you look into it while it was running, it would actually cut your eye. You would basically give yourself laser eye surgery, which you don't want to do. So there you have it. This is what's inside a DVD drive. Alright, so anyway, with that said, that is it for this video. Please comment, like, subscribe, and click that bell for more notifications.